Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths Online class. Students, in previous class we solved some examples on the word addition of the 3-digit numbers without regrouping. That means without carrying. Today we start the word addition of the 2-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping means with carrying. Here we have to make the word grouping of the word with their positions. We have to make the grouping of the word numbers and divide them and give carry to the another position and write the sum for that. Okay, so in today's class we discuss only of the addition by regrouping ones and the tens, ones to tens. Okay, here we regroup the numbers from ones to tens only. In next class we discuss about the what tens to the 100 position. So see here, the first one is problem given. 237 plus 126 is there. Okay, here we written as the numerically and with the position. In that position we have to clear about that how to convert the what tens to the position, how to regroup the number in the ones position and give carry to the next one, that is the tens position. Okay, so here 7 plus 6 we got here how much? That is the 13 answer. But do not write 13 here. That is the wrong method. Okay, wrong addition. So how to write 13? In 13, which number is right? Which right is we write here, then which is the carry. Okay. So we discuss with the positions of the word numbers. 237 is the first addend, 126 is the next addend. That is second. According to the first addend, here 100 position 2 and in the what 10's position 3 and in the ones position 7 numbers are 7 dots are there. So draw with respect to their position. Then in 126 second addend, with respect to their position we have to draw the dots here. 120 and here 6 dots. In the previous classes we seen that we have to add the first one ones position, then write the answer here only. When we add these two, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer, so we write the 13 here only. But in the without regrouping we got there only one digit, so that is correct for that ones position. But here we get the what 2 digits, so the writing of the 2 digits on the same position, it's what wrong addition. Okay, so here we have to regroup the number. How to regroup the number? You already know about that. 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay, here we make the group of the 10 dots. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 10 dots are there. We have to make the group of the what 10 dots. This 10 dots is equal to what 1/10. So we have to shift this dots to the what next position as a carrying. So here 10 dots is equal to 1. Okay, or 1 dot. 1 dot in the tens position. Represent the dots. Here remaining dots are how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 only remaining in the ones position. So that is the answer. 3 in the ones position. Then count in the tens position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the answer. No, here one more carrying is there. We have to add that carry. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And 1, 2, 3. Because here only we get the what single digit number, as usual write there with their position only. If we get the double digit only, we have to make the regroup the numbers. See here in 7 plus 6. In 7 plus 6 we got here 13. Okay, in 13 write ones position 3 here and 1 is the carry for the next placement. Okay, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So write 6 only the single digit number. So write 6 here. Then next position 2 plus 1 is there. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Here any carrying is there? No. So add these two only and write the sum for that. 363 is the what? Sum for the given addition operation. Then second one is like that only we have to solve this problem also. 146 plus 219. According to their position of the value in the position, we have to draw the represent the what? Dots here. Then the second addend 219. 2 in the 100 position, 1 in the tens position, and 9 is in the what? Hundreds position. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So then we have to regroup the ones digits or the ones placement number here with 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to make one group of the tens. Okay. Then now shift that group to the next placement. Shift in the tens position. So the remaining dots in the ones placement is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. 5 it is the single or double digit number. Very good, single digit number. So write there only. The next tens placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one carrying 6. The next one 1, 2, 3. So here also in 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. In 15 we have to write 5 here. Then 1 is the carrying. Then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 365 is the what? Sum for the given addition operation. The next one. See one. 456 is the what? First addend. According to that addend only we have to draw the dots to represent that digits. 56 in the ones position. Okay. And second addend is 123. If we got the single digit in the ones placement only, we do not make the what? Regrouping the number. As usual, write the number only. If we got the two digits, then regroup the number and give carrying to the what? Next placement, that is the tens placement. Okay, this is the representation of the dots. Then in the ones placement, here more than 10 numbers are there. It means it having the 2 digit number. So regroup here with the 10 dots in one group. These are the 10 dots in one group and move towards as a carrying to the tens placement. So the remaining dots are 4. So write 4 in the ones placement. In the tens placement, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay. So here only with the numerical 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. In 14, 4 is ones placement and 1 is the carrying for the next placement. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. What's the answer now? These are two answers are equal. Representation with the numbers and representation with the dots. Okay. So the last one, see, 207 plus 227. First we have to represent the numbers with their positions. 200 in the tens position 0 is there. It means no dots. In the ones position, how many dots are there? Very good. 7 dots are there. So draw here 7. Then in the second addend 227. 220. Again 7 in the what? Very good. Again 7 in the ones position. Now regroup the ones position to give carry to the next tens position. Here we have to make group of 10 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here to till to the last 10 digits. Okay. So this is one group. We have to move this group to the next placement, tens placement, and the remaining are 4 is there. So write here 4. In the tens placement, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 carrying is equal to 3. Then in the 100 position, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So here, see, 7 plus 7 is 14. In 14, write 4 here. 1 is the carrying. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 only. That's a 0 property. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then what's the number name? We got here 434. Okay. This is the what? Addition of the 3 digit number with regrouping. In this regrouping only we have to regroup the digits in the ones position. Ones to the tens position. In next class we discuss and solve some problems about the what regrouping of the tens and the 100 question. Thank you.